Welcome to our channel, a community and platform for architects and designers to grow freely and easily. Here are 15 architecture secrets that are not typically taught extensively at architecture school. 1. Building client relationships. Building strong client relationships goes beyond delivering quality designs. It involves effective communication, active listening, and understanding their goals, preferences, and concerns. Regularly engaging with clients, providing timely updates, and addressing their feedback helps foster trust and ensures client satisfaction.
2. Effective marketing and branding. Successful marketing and branding strategies involve understanding your target market, defining your unique value proposition, and effectively communicating your expertise and services. Utilizing various marketing channels, such as social media, online platforms, and networking events, can help raise awareness about your architectural practice and attract potential clients.
3. Business development and networking. Developing business development skills is essential for finding new projects and expanding your professional network. Actively engaging in networking events, attending industry conferences, and participating in relevant organizations can help you connect with potential clients, collaborators, and industry influencers.
4. Financial management. Financial management skills are crucial for running a successful architecture business. This includes budgeting for projects, managing cash flow, tracking expenses, and ensuring profitability. Acquiring knowledge in financial concepts and working with accountants or financial advisors can help you make informed decisions and achieve long-term financial stability.
5. Proposal and contract writing. Crafting effective proposals and contracts is essential for clearly defining project scopes, deliverables, fees, and timelines. It ensures that both you and your clients have a mutual understanding of project expectations, mitigating potential misunderstandings and conflicts.
6. Legal and contractual knowledge. Developing a comprehensive understanding of legal aspects related to architectural practice is vital. This includes contracts, liability, intellectual property, and other legal considerations. Consulting with legal professionals specializing in architecture can provide guidance on navigating legal complexity and ensuring compliance.
7. Building codes and regulations. Staying updated with building codes, regulations, and zoning requirements is crucial for designing safe and compliant structures. Familiarize yourself with local, national, and international codes to ensure your designs meet legal and safety standards.
8. Leveraging technology. Embracing digital tools and software for project management, collaboration, design visualization, and communication can significantly enhance efficiency and productivity in your architectural practice.
9. Balancing creativity and business savvy. Striking a balance between your creative design aspirations and the practicalities of running a business is crucial. Learning how to manage budgets, client expectations, and project timelines while maintaining design excellence can contribute to long-term success. 10.
Project management. Project management skills are essential for effectively managing architectural projects. This involves creating project plans, setting realistic timelines, managing budgets, allocating resources, and coordinating project teams. Utilizing project management methodologies and software can streamline project workflows and enhance efficiency.
11. Collaboration and teamwork. Architecture projects involve collaboration with various stakeholders, including engineers, consultants, contractors, and clients. Effective collaboration requires clear communication, active listening, and a willingness to consider diverse perspectives. Developing strong teamwork skills helps create a collaborative and harmonious project environment.
12. Business ethics and professionalism. Upholding ethical standards and maintaining professionalism is crucial for building trust and credibility within the architecture industry. This includes maintaining client confidentiality, adhering to industry codes of conduct, and practicing transparency and honesty in all business dealings.
13. Negotiation and conflict resolution. Negotiation and conflict resolution skills help navigate disagreements, manage disputes, and find mutually beneficial solutions. Developing effective communication, active listening, and problem-solving skills can help resolve conflicts and maintain positive relationships with clients and project teams. 14. Continuing education and professional development. Architecture is a continuously evolving field, and staying updated on emerging trends, technologies, and best practices is essential. Actively pursuing continuing education opportunities, attending seminars, workshops, and industry events, and engaging in professional development activities ensures that you remain at the forefront of the industry. 15. Work-life balance and self-care. Architecture can be demanding, with long hours and high-pressure situations. Prioritizing work-life balance, setting boundaries, and practicing self-care are vital for maintaining physical and mental well-being. Taking breaks, engaging in hobbies, and spending time with loved ones can prevent burnout and enhance overall job satisfaction. Remember, while architecture school provides a solid foundation in design and technical skills, these additional secrets contribute to your overall professional growth, success, and fulfillment as an architect. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to return the favor by tipping us with a like and a share. As always, thanks for watching. If you would like to learn some more, hey, check out this video next.